Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the complete setup of your Capital One credit card, helping you activate it and manage it online. First, let's take a look at the activation process. Activating your Capital One credit card is quick and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. You'll start by calling the number on the back of your card or visiting the website. To manage your card effectively, accessing your online account is essential. Let's explore how you can do that. Setting up your online account is straightforward. Follow these steps to create your profile and manage your finances. The Capital One mobile app offers easy access to manage your card on the go. Let's take a look at its features. Security is crucial when accessing your account online. We'll cover the security features that protect your information. Sometimes, issues can arise during activation. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. Finally, let's go over some tips to ensure you're getting the most out of your Capital One credit card. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you feel confident in setting up your Capital One credit card. Happy managing!